Okay, so I'm given a frequency distribution. Remember, frequencies are just counts. And I want to find relative frequency. And relative frequency you find based on this value relative to the whole. And the whole means to add all of these up. I'm too lazy to grab a calculator, so I'm just going to use Excel and do equals sum, open a parentheses, and highlight these values. So all I'm doing is adding these up. You can do the same thing with your calculator. So they sum to 40. So I know each one of these are going to equal this value divided by the whole, being the whole is 40. Now if you put dollar signs here, this makes this a relative reference. So in other words, I'm not referencing just this first value is going to be a relative reference, but this value I want to never change. And I do that because I want to copy this formula straight down. So I hit enter, and watch this. If I copy this straight down, so all it did was take 11 divided by 40, 18 divided by 40, 5 divided by 40, and then, oops, 2 divided by 40. It's just because I'm lazy. All right, so once it is a percent, so I can even do that here. I can highlight these values, and in Excel, I can say to make it percent, and it says round to 2 places as needed. So there is a percent, and let's add 2 decimal places. And so you can see I have my answers, 10, 27.5, 45, 12.5, and 5%.